How much should you actually spend on a portable inverter generator? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Ecarc 200W Inverter. The Ecarc Real 200W power inverter caught my attention right away with its compact size and impressive compatibility with DeWalt batteries. Priced at just $38.15, it's a great entry point if you want a reliable power source for your outdoor adventures without breaking the bank. If you want a portable charger that can power your devices on the go, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This inverter swiftly transforms DeWalt 18V20V Max lithium-ion batteries into a power source, which means you won't need bulky adapters anymore. It outputs 200 watts, enough to charge your phone, tablet, and even small appliances during outages or while camping. Plus, with 2 USB ports and an AC outlet, you're set to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Now, some people complained about the lack of included batteries, which might be a deal breaker for some. Here's the thing though, if you already have compatible DeWalt batteries, this is a non-issue, and considering the price, it's a small trade-off for a super handy device. This is perfect for you if you're into camping or just need an easy backup power source at home. Skip this one if you need something more powerful for larger appliances, but for basic charging needs, it offers great value for money. Now, if the Ecarc's battery dependency bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LIVOWLNY 200W Inverter. The LIVOWLNY 200W power inverter is another intriguing option that's priced at the same $38.15. It's compact and comes with features that really cater to outdoor enthusiasts. If you want a portable power station for all your devices during travels, this one's worth a serious look. This means that as long as you have batteries, you can keep your electronics powered up during camping trips or power outages. With 2 USB ports and a 20W Type-C output, you can charge your devices quickly, which is crucial when you're on the go. The built-in safety features also ensure that you won't face issues like overheating or overloading. It's been flying off the shelves with over 2,000 units sold in the last month. However, some users mention that the inverter can get overheated during prolonged use. Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful of its limits, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's designed for smaller devices, so if that's what you're working with, you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable outdoor power source without complexity. Skip this one if you need to run larger appliances, but it's a solid option for keeping your small devices charged. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more extensive needs. Product number 3, Ego Power Plus 400W Inverter. Let's talk about the Ego Power Plus portable inverter. At $186.98, it's a bit pricier but offers a solid 400 watts of continuous power, which can really come in handy. If you want something that can handle a bit more power for sensitive electronics, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This inverter provides pure sine wave output, which means you can safely power sensitive devices like laptops and phones without any risk of damage. It has a peak power of 800 watts, which is useful for devices that need an initial power surge. Plus, with multiple USB ports, you can charge several devices at once, a must-have for family camping trips or when the power goes out. It's garnered a good amount of interest with over 900 units sold recently. The downside, some users noted that the price might be a bit steep compared to others on the list. But let's be real, you're paying for quality here. And if you need reliable power with safety features, this could definitely be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're someone who prioritizes clean power for sensitive electronics. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic functionality at a lower price, but for the added peace of mind and power, it's a solid choice. Now, if you want a slightly smaller option but still powerful, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, PlantPal Gear 220W Inverter. Next up is the PlantPalgear 220W Power Inverter, priced at just $38.15. This one caught my eye due to its balance of power and portability. If you need an efficient power source for smaller devices while on the go, this is definitely worth a serious look. This means it can easily charge your phone, laptop, or tablet while you're out camping or during a power outage. The two USB-QC ports and a Type-C fast charging option make it super versatile. With buyers snapping up over 500 units last month, it's clear that people are seeing the value. However, some reviews pointed out that it can get warm when in use for extended periods. Here's the thing, as long as you monitor usage, it's manageable and shouldn't be a deal breaker for casual use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight inverter that still offers solid power for small devices. Skip this one if you need to run larger equipment, but for outdoor activities, it's a great option. Now, if the power capacity is a concern for you, the last product could be the ideal solution. Product number 5. Ego Power Plus 180W Inverter. Finally, we have the Ego Power Plus 180W Portable Inverter at $138.64. This one is a great option if you're looking for something compact yet effective. If you want a reliable inverter for everyday use around the house or while traveling, this is worth a serious look. This means you can charge everything from your phone to your laptop safely. The integrated LED spotlight is a nice touch, especially during power outages. With a solid 5-year warranty backing it, you can feel confident in your purchase. It's been popular too, with over 200 units sold recently. Some users noted that it might not have enough power for larger devices, which could be a drawback for some users. But honestly, if you're just looking to charge smaller electronics, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're seeking a compact inverter for light use at home or on the go. Skip this one if you need something for high-power devices, but it's a reliable choice for everyday needs. So we've looked at 5 different portable inverter generators today. From the budget-friendly Ecarc and LIVOWLNY to the more powerful Ego models, each has something unique to offer. Think about your specific needs, whether it's camping, backup power at home, or charging devices on the go. Choose wisely and you'll find the perfect fit for your lifestyle.